Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the change of base formula for logarithms. So what the change of base formula says is that when we have any logarithm, so we have log base b of a, the change of base formula lets us rewrite this using any base. So how we could rewrite this, if we wanted to change the base, if we did not like our current base that we had, we could rewrite this as log base c of a divided by log base c of b. So we can change the base and divide the two. So whatever we're taking the log of would go on top, and then the log of the base would go on bottom. So for example, let's say we had log base 7 of 5. And we wanted to rewrite this with base 3. I wanted to rewrite this logarithm using base 3. I would rewrite this as log base 3 of 5 divided by log base 3 of 7. These two are equivalent. They have the same value. Now, a lot of the times, rewriting with base 3, while these two are equivalent, it doesn't really do anything, because I don't know, this would be 3 to what power is 5, and 3 to what power is 7, which doesn't really work. Most of the time, what we will do, using our change of base formula, is we will let our c equal 10 for our common logarithm. And the reason is that our calculator does base 10. So we could rewrite this as log base 10 of a divided by log base 10 of b. Now our common logarithm, we don't even have to write the base. If we don't write the base, it is assumed that it is base 10. So what we would do would be log of a divided by log of b. So what we could do is we could stick this in our calculator. This is the same thing if I wanted to rewrite, using our common log, which would be base 10. I could rewrite my original problem as the log of 5 divided by log of 7. And what this is that we can stick this in our calculator. I can do the log of 5 in my calculator and the log of 7 in my calculator and divide them. We should get 0.827 approximately when we stick this in our calculator. Log of 5 divided by log of 7. Now another common logarithm that we'll see is if we choose log base e. So I could rewrite this problem as log base e of a divided by log base e of b. And log base e is what we call our natural log. Our natural log we could rewrite as ln of a divided by ln of b. Now, e is a number that's like pi. It goes on forever. It's an irrational number, an ugly decimal, that's used in nature and found in the real world a lot of the time. So if I wanted to rewrite my original problem using our natural log, I could rewrite it as ln of 5 divided by ln of 7. And a nice thing in the calculator that I could do is our calculator also has natural log in it. So when I stick it in my calculator, I should get the same value, because these are just different ways to write this. Oops, 2, 7. All right, so we'll try one more. So log base 8 of 19. So I want you to rewrite this in 3 ways. I want you to rewrite it with base 5, with our common logarithm base, and with our natural logarithm base. So pause your video, try rewriting it using the change of base formula, try rewriting it with base 5, common log, and natural log, and then I'd like you to, in the calculator, put it in there as well. All right, so these are your answers. If we rewrite our log base 8 of 19 with base 5, this would be log base 5 of 19 divided by log base 5 of 8. This doesn't really tell us too much. Just we could rewrite it as this. Our common logarithm would be log base 10, which is just log of 19 over log of 8. And our natural log would be log base e of 19, which is ln of 19 over ln of 8. I could stick either of these last two in the calculator and be able to calculate these here.